Lightning bolt, lightning up. Oh, Cesar Grumble for front position. Who's that girl moving up now? That is Yabba Dabadura. And in third, Victory's Passion. Humble Strike comes next. Meister in fifth position. Now Yabba Dabadur. Running by the release. Who's that girl? Humble Strike in third, Victory's Passion in fourth. And in fifth comes Meister. Lightning Bolt comes next. On the outside is Point of Pride. Yabadabadur, and who's that girl fighting it out for the lead? Humble Strike joining them on the outside third. Victory's Passion in fourth. Lightning Bolt, Lapping Tiger in sixth position. My Star, Point of Pride, and a level back to number one, that's Dancing Queen. Yabadabadur, who's that girl? Is running by the rail. Here comes Humble Strike. Victor's Passion. Yabadabadur now by Hapalang on the outside. Second is Humble Strike. Who's that girl in third position? It's still Yabadabadur. Humble Strike on the outside. Who's that girl in third? With Yabadabadur still in front. Humble Strike. Who's that girl? As the pill turns bottom, it's still Yabadabadur by about 3 lengths. Humble Strike, who's that girl? It's still Yabadabadur by about 3 lengths on the outside. Victory's Passion, Lightning Ball in the middle portion. It's still Yabadabadur, Lightning Ball on the outside. And entering the finish line from the step-up, Cup John Tanyamor, Yabadabadur. Second is Lightning Bolt. Then comes Victory's Passion, Humble Strike.
And Carista, what an exciting finish, race number 11, Yabadabadur of